Okay, back with the Saab again. It's alright. And just a trick that I learnt, and if you don't already know, about the bits that should be black on the car that go grey after time. Now, yeah, good old pot of Vaseline, petroleum jelly, but anything. People say about peanut butter, that'll work because it's got oil in it. I wouldn't use oil, but something like lip balms, anything like that, really works a treat. Now, I've already done a little bit just here, but what I'll do is I'll show you. Right, bit of Vaseline, and it'll work on, I do it on the door mirrors and all sorts. So this trim should be like a black colour. Okay, it's gone grey. Right, bit of Vaseline, wipe it on and just rub it in. Okay, I'm going to do the whole of it, all of this. Now I've got to get the wipers up, but if you just rub it in and see the difference that makes. Also, the water, it'll just run off because it's sort of a grease. So what I'll do, I think the mirror this side is a bit yucky. Yeah. Alright, this black bit on the mirror, I know the sun's a bit now, but if I, you can see what that's like. And it's something I love because it's really quick and easy. Right, just rub it in. And also it lasts for quite a while. Okay, let's just do up there. And it'll do all the trims as well down here. So if you look down here, okay, I'm running out of stuff, but work it in. Alright, oh, my videoing again is really naff. Sorry, I haven't got a tripod, I'm just doing this with my phone. But if you do that, you can see the difference that it makes. And I'll go around the whole car doing all the black bits, all the door handles. Okay, I don't notice it about getting greasy hands at all, but you go all around them. It works a treat. Not so much on here, doesn't really, but they're alright. Don't know if you want to go, I've never tried going over these bits. But yeah, all the black bits are trimmed like that. All the black bits around the bumper, anything like that, and it really brings it up. And I say it stays like it for quite a long time. Just a little advice, bit of Vaseline, just go around blacking all the bits. I don't know about putting anything on here. Oh yeah, let's give it a go on the air filter. If you're detailing, I don't know what people detailing use, but that's what I use. So that's the water runoff. Makes the car look nicer, and it's not a new car, but it is a car that I like driving. It's actually my wife's car. Here's my car, and I prefer driving this, to be honest. Although the other car is a really nice car, and I might even do a bit of a blog. If anyone wants to know about Ford Galaxy Titanium X, just put it in the comments, and I'll do like a run through on that, sort of like a pretty comprehensive one. But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Lads, get the Vaseline out. Works wonders for your car. Thanks for watching. Hope it's been of some help.